Now, Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama has marked 1 year since returning to office after winning the December 2024 elections. In a national address this week, President Mahama described his first 12 months as a period of tough but necessary decisions, largely focused on stabilizing an economy which is under pressure and restoring confidence in key state institutions. He says the next phase of his presidency will prioritize policies that deliver tangible benefits for ordinary Ghanaians, from jobs to cost of living relief. Now, to assess what this first year has achieved, perhaps what it has cost and what lies ahead, we're now joined on the line by Parliamentary Network Africa Director of Communications, Clement Akoloh. Thank you so much for joining us and welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
So, 1 year into President Mahama's presidency and return to office, from your perspective, what stands out the most about this first phase of his administration? Was it a question of continuity? Was it caution, change? How would you describe it?
Yeah, thank you very much. The Mahama's administration actually has been marked by a mantra they have maintained and said that they are resetting the governance of the country, where they are trying to bring some kind of new life into the economy in other areas as well, to ensure that all that the Ghanaian economy has gone through over the years sees a new lease on life. And we could actually attest that the economy has received some kind of some new life, renovations. We've seen that the inflation has gone down. We've seen improvement in economic statistics and all that. So for now, we can say that the Mahama administration is on track with the economy. With other areas as well, we are hoping that all those areas also will turn right, because the most important thing for Ghanaians right now is about jobs. And even though we are seeing some improvement in the economic statistics, we are waiting to see how that will translate into jobs for the teeming youth of the country.
So the president described the past 12 months as a period of difficult but necessary decisions. Was he able to communicate this very well? I know you talked about a mantra, but is it something that he communicated well and managed politically that the Ghanaians understood and brought on board?
Yeah, we will say that it has been communicated right from beginning. Before the elections, it was part of the mantra of the then opposition political party, that is the National Democratic Congress, who actually were trumpeting that they were going to reset Ghana, reset the economy in different ways. And we should say that, yes, it was communicated well, and Ghanaians actually understood what he was saying, because there was some kind of apathy towards the then government, that is the NPP government, on so many areas. When it came to the economy was having challenges. The inflation was over the roof. So many things were not going right. People were also looking out to the jobs that they were not getting. And so when the NDC, headed by John Mahama, then was preaching that they were going to reset the economy, they were going to reset Ghana, they actually understood that that was what was needed. This also translated even in the elections when it came to the parliamentary front, and he had an overwhelming majority in parliament, where the people also gave him the mandate to be able to change a lot of things. And we can also see that he's trying to um, do a total reset with even a constitutional review kind of thing
Right.
going on in the country. So I would say that it looks like Ghanaians really understood what he meant by resetting the country. And I think for the first year, we can say, or even the word on the street is that John Dramani Mahama, in his second term, seems to have learned something which he is now putting to paper or actually taking action to make sure that it happens. But normally,
Do you
what
think
we
that he's built up a body of trust? I know that there were institutions that had come under strain in recent years. Has he made meaningful progress in reconstituting them and building trust?
Yes, so far he has made that progress. And I should say that most of the institutions in the country have actually come to believe that he is the right person at this moment to carry through the development or the leadership of the country. So that trust has been built when it comes to, let's say, the security apparatus. Those who are in charge of the security um, has shown that he is in charge of what is going on when it comes to security. He has actually appointed a new Inspector General of Police who is overseeing the police department. So far, we haven't had any major issues when it
Right.
comes to security. Same with the army and all those things. And the major institutions have also shown confidence in him, like his body language and his communication to the public seems to be resonating very well with the people. And word on the street everywhere shows that they have a lot of confidence in him, and they believe that most of the things that he has said that he's going to deliver it. And even the Global Info Analytics have also come out with
Right.
a poll that indicates that he has a lot of confidence from the people, above 62%, who think that he's doing a very good job for the country.
Right. So, a very good start to this current administration. Clement, thanks so much indeed for your insights on John Mahama's first year in office.
Thanks for having me.
That was Clement Akoloh, Director of Communications at Parliamentary Network Africa, speaking to us about President John Dramani Mahama's first year in office in Ghana.